Hey everyone, welcome to the Sunday Bloom. It was so fun doing Art Spark with many of you. So thanks for coming to that. It was great. What came out of it a lot was a lot of people posted in the chat this challenge around perfectionism. Like everything's got to be so perfect. And I get it. So I thought I would just speak to this and share how I've thought about this and because it's really been helpful. We never get it perfect, but we're trying to be perfect and we beat ourselves up if it isn't. And, getting the art so we absolutely love it and trying to finish something. We can't finish everything because it has to be so perfect and it can't be perfect. Right. So the way I think about it is I kind of pat myself on the back if number one, I've done something different in my work because I know how to make, art that people will love and I can sell it. Like that comes pretty quick, but I have to make art that I'm excited about. And that's the more challenging part. That's about perfecting it, right? How do I make something that I'm really excited about and that I love? And that has to do with doing something new and different, just that I'm evolving. I'm surrounded by all this work here that's a lot of it's a few years old and it's not, it's just old and it's not that great, but I was trying so hard and it's fine because what the art does and how you can think about it is it might not be perfect, but if you gain some territory, if you can look at it and say, God, like this is further along. This is heading in the right direction. This is more than I've done before. This is feeling more like what I want and you can kind of finish it and get it so it feels pretty good, that's a win. That's perfect. Because art making is not one painting, it is the sequence. It's the sequence of your life. And it's the journey that is what you're trying to perfect. And that comes from small steps, half steps, 2 steps back, paintings that are amazing, a couple of those, couple of paintings that everyone wants, and then a bunch of paintings that kind of sit around. These are all paintings that were returned to me. It's like we need all of them, but it's the journey. It's perfecting the journey. And that's I think a real good normal way to think about it. It's getting there. You're never going to arrive and you just want to enjoy and relax and have fun in the process, And beating yourself up and trying to make everything perfect is just going to wreck the experience. So anyway, I hope that's helpful. And I'd love to, let's just talk about this in the comments. It was so fun doing Art Spark. And I hope you guys have more clarity about where you're going and you're more fired up than ever before because we're heading into an amazing art season coming up for winter and it's going to be awesome. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for being here.